Bruh.
Give me a hell yeah. What? What's up, bro?
This bad boy right here, man.
You tight. What is going on, my fellow YouTube fam? It's your boy, Animated Aaron, and what do we have today? Huh? What's this? What is this? Aaron is upgrading? What? You damn skippy I am. This is the ATR-2100 USB Cardio ID Dynamic USB XLR microphone that I will be unboxing and testing out. I'm gonna test out this mic that I'm using here, the regular webcam mic, and this. Let's get it going. So here we have it, the ATR-2100. It comes with a pop filter. The thing that's really cool about this mic, and trust me, I did my research, I looked at a million different YouTube videos. Should I get this? Should I get the Blue Yeti? I went with this mainly because it has two different options that you can use. The thing that's cool about this is that you can connect it to something like this, which is called a Phantom Box, I believe. InnoGear Phantom Box. It's kind of like an amplifier. You get the best quality possible. You connect it through here, blah, 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 and then you put it into your computer, so it gives you the most, it gives you more power, which is really awesome. Or you can just use it via USB. The last mic that I bought, god awful. It was terrible. I mean, hey, it's true what they say. You get what you pay for. So this was 80 bucks for everything. Not this, but, and yeah, let's get it open. All right, here she is. ATR-2100. I've seen a lot of good things about this, man. I read a lot of reviews, saw a lot of videos. Let's see how this thing is. It actually comes with this too, which is cool. You can put it on your desk or whatever, have the mic stand on it. This is your USB, and this is the XLR thingies that you can, hook up to this if you have one. Well, feels fine. Feels fine. I thought it felt kind of like flimsy, but no, it's good, it's good. All right, guys, so as of right now, you're hearing my voice through this thingy. I actually forgot the technical name for it. I'll put it down here somewhere. I'll Google it. But this was about 20 bucks. Gets the job done. It's pretty cool. Connect it right to your camera. Bada bing, bada boom. Well, I think I said that wrong, but yeah. It catches background noise, which I hate. It catches every little freaking noise, but it's okay. For 20 bucks, I've been using it for a while. I think it's okay. Okay, so right now you're listening to my voice via the webcam, which I don't know how that sounds, but I'm pretty sure it sounds trash, super echoey. But yeah, so I'm trying to, I know. I'm trying to figure this out, the XLR thing, and I don't think I understand it. So we're just gonna go with the USB. Yeah. This seems to be pretty garbage. Wow, this is awful. I think this needs to be screwed in. Okay, I was about to say. Alright guys, you're still hearing me through the camera itself. I'm gonna go to my system preferences and yeah, change it up to this bad boy. Testing. Testing. YouTube, how you doing, guys? It's your boy, Animated Aaron. I'm here today with another YouTube video, and yeah, got my Super Nintendo box. Yes, testing. You got my GameCube controller. Let's see how this sounds from here. Hello, Aaron. Hello. Hi. Yahoo! It's me, Mario. Would you mind giving me your pudding? No! Boo eat! Alright, so yeah. What do you guys think? I think it's pretty good. And the reason why I got this was for you guys, and hopefully, my audio makes a big difference. I know I've seen articles that say, people, like 80% of people would tolerate shitty quality, like bad visuals, if the audio is good. But if the quality of the video could be great, it could be 4K, but if the audio is bad, it turns everybody off. So hopefully this is a huge improvement. Subscribe to your boy, like the video, share it, check you later.